Listen carefully. Over time, the people you keep helping and don't let them face their responsibility will see you as the problem. You are disciplining yourself. You are fighting your battles. You are fighting the devil. You are fighting what is fighting you, and they have never risen up one day to fight because they hope on you to fight for them. Now, as you begin to help them and they go to squander it, a day comes they say you are the one using their destiny. That's what I've discovered. It's true. From experience, from revelation. I'm telling you, I've seen people come to me many times and say, Papa, look at me. Am I doing ritual? Is there any way I'm doing ritual I'm not aware? Is there any way I'm doing blood money I'm not aware? I said, if you are doing any such thing, I will be the one to tell you. God would have revealed to me. God would have spoken to me. Why have they come to that part? Because the people they have come around to fight them, insinuate all manner of things, and say, this one is using my destiny. This one is using my glory. You never had any glory before. You never had any destiny before. So listen, it's enough to help people, but don't keep helping them. If they cannot stand to fight, you will do that until they begin to think that they have such entitlement over you, and it becomes a narrative. Every story you hear was pushed by one person. Every rumor you hear, one person started it, and other people picked it without verifying. So you don't do well by helping people. You know what John and Peter said? They came to the beautiful gate in Acts chapter 3. They said, gold or silver I have known. No, that is not correct. He has money. He is saying that I have learned by experience to keep helping people again and again without making them face what is fighting them is a problem. He said, silver or gold I will not give you, because you have been here for a long time begging and begging and begging. You will never stop begging. Today, the first thing you kill in the life is the beggarly spirit and the entitlement spirit. Do you know, if somebody is working and is receiving 200,000 naira, for example, in a month, that means if it's someone that goes to work every day, and maybe the person works maybe 8 hours, which is the normal time people work. Now, let's assume they work, okay, Monday to Friday. 8 times 5, 40. Averagely, we have 4 weeks in a month most of the time. So 40 times 4 gives you how many? 160. So the person had to work for 160 hours to get 200,000. Now, if somebody gives you 20,000 from working 160 hours, do you know how many hours they have given to it? 16 hours. So what it literally means is that someone has just worked for straight 16 hours to be able to give you 20,000. Every time somebody blesses you for you not working for them, they have given you hours of their life. And if you don't appreciate it, you just say thanks. You are a demon, because you just devour somebody's 16 hours and you say thanks. Spirit of entitlement. In the last days, in the perilous time, men shall be ungrateful and unthankful. And as a result of this, what you deal with, you have to deal with that beggarly and entitlement spirit, whether they are your family members, whether they are related to you.
Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. This is a beautiful deep conditioning pre-poo that you need for your hair. Is a natural keratin. Please do well to like the video. Please do well to subscribe, and I will appreciate you share out on the notification bell so that when I upload another video, you will get the notification. If this is your first time, God bless you. Thank you for watching. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you. God bless you for all your massive support. I am grateful. Please like the video and stay glued. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.